Welcome to the final chapter of our Azure policy series. Today, we're tackling a crucial aspect of governance, managing special cases and exceptions. In this episode, we'll explore the intricate art of crafting policy exemptions and utilizing overrides. These techniques offer essential flexibility, allowing you to maintain compliance standards while accommodating unique scenarios within your Azure environment. Basically, exemptions let you exclude specific resources or resource groups from a policy assignment. This feature is useful when resources must deviate from a policy's rules due to unique needs or exceptions. On the other hand, overrides provide the flexibility to change a policy's effect at the assignment stage without altering the core policy definition. This feature becomes extremely useful when you wish to evaluate a policy's impact without fully enforcing it, or when you need a milder effect for a specific scope. While the two aspects may appear similar at first glance, we'll illustrate the distinction between them to highlight each one's functionality and application. This policy forbids the creation of Azure databases for flexible servers if the public access is enabled. Let's assign it to our subscription, and we'll use exemptions to exclude this resource group. And we'll see the result. Let's check things off by attempting to create an Azure database in a regular resource group. And of course, we'll leave the public access enabled. And let's click on Create. Here we go. The creation is stopped by the policy rule. Let's go back and select the resource group we determined in the exemption. Here is it, Race Group Exemption. And now, let's launch the creation and see. After a while, the resource is created successfully, which means that the exemption is working very well. Now, let's try the override option. We'll use the same rule, but we'll assign it now to another resource group called Race Group Override, with using the override to change the effects in this scope to audit instead of deny. And we create the assignment. We go check it now. Choose the override selected resource group, name it, leave the public access enabled as usual, and we click on Create. After the creation, let's give the Azure Policy section a visit. We check the validity of our rule. As expected, the compliance section shows that the database does not adhere to the policy, which means that the override works very well. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this content useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more. Goodbye.